Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button right here on the side of the device. Like this. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the touch sensitive button to open the shortcut menu, like this. And in this menu you should see the option called DND. To enable the mode, Do Not Disturb mode, tap on the DND option, like this. The icon should get lit up, basically, got brighter, and this means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the touch sensitive button to go back to the watch face. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply press and hold the touch sensitive button again to open the shortcut menu and tap on the icon to turn it off, like this, and then press the button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings on your smartband, and to do it, simply wake up the screen on the smartband, swipe left on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called Do Not Disturb, and you can tap on it. And here we have options on and off, or rather Do Not Disturb option, and to enable it, tap on this option. And once you enable it, you can also enable or disable the notification or exercise notifications. So if you're exercising, you can have the notifications on or off. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on the option again to turn it off, like this. And of course, once you're done, you can press the touch sensitive button to go back, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.